Hey, it's me, Blippi. And do you like fruit? Yeah, I do too. One of my favorite fruits is an apple. Maybe you and I should draw an apple today. Wow, there's green apples, red apples, yellow apples, but today you and I are gonna draw a red apple. All right, so let's draw a curved line like this. Ooh, and another curve on that side. There we go. And then, since apples have stems and leaves, let's take the color green and then do a stem right up here. There we go. Maybe a little thicker. But then for the leaf, a couple curved lines like that, and a line right in the middle. Whoa, doesn't that look like a tasty apple? I know, it does. But I'm gonna color in the apple now. I'm gonna make a little line like that. Yeah, so then it looks like a reflection. And then, time to color! Yum! Whoa, that was so much fun drawing and coloring an apple together. If you wanna draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again, bye-bye.
Activate Blippi Station. It's time, get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi.
What's better than a delicious piece of fruit? You're right, Debo. Vegetables are yummy too. I wonder, what's the difference between fruits and vegetables? Super suggestion! We'll go into that garden to figure it out. I'm gonna need wings and a grabber arm.
Wings, grabber arm, confirmed.
Okie dokie, artichokey. Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. All right, we're in a community garden where all kinds of fruits and vegetables grow. And look, there's one right now.
Step right up. You're the next contestants on Slim Cucumber's Certified Fresh Game Show.
Fruit or vegetable?
Tell us your names.
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Debo.
Now, Blippi and Debo, a quick review before we start. All fruits have a pit or seeds in them and grow on a plant with flowers.
Fruits have pits or seeds, and always flowers. Got it.
And vegetables are different. There are root and leaves.
Got that too.
Excellent. Let's play. Tell me, Blippi, is this carrot a fruit or...
Ooh, the carrot is a vegetable because it's a root and has leaves.
That's right! But can Blippi go 2 for 2? So tell me, is this tomato a fruit or a vegetable?
This is tough. Okay, a tomato grows from a plant, but it has seeds. It's also a vegetable?
Oh, sorry. Tomato is a fruit. Now, your final question, Blippi. Can you tell me if this strawberry is a fruit or vegetable?
Strawberry is a fruit.
Yes, strawberry is a fruit. And you gave 2 correct answers, which means this trophy is all yours.
Wow, thanks, Mr. Slim. And I also have the answer to my question. What's the difference between fruits and vegetables? Vegetables are roots and leaves, and fruits have flowers and a pit or seeds. Upload answer, Debo. Bye-bye, Mr. Slim.
Congrats to you, Blippi. That's our game. I'm Slim the Cucumber, and by the way, I'm a fruit. Tune in next time for our special guest, Madam Mango, on Fruit or Vegetable.